Are your online accounts really safe? Weak passwords are the gateway for hackers. Let's learn how to create secure passwords and keep your data protected. Where it make a password secure. 1. Secure password should be at least 12 characters long. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters. Include numbers and symbols. Avoid using personal information like your name, birthday, or pet's name. 5. Strong versus weak password example. Instead of John 123 or password 123, try something like secure me at 20. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are common mistakes that make your passwords vulnerable. Reusing passwords across multiple accounts. If one account gets hacked, others may also be compromised. Using short or predictable passwords. Examples: 23456 QWERTY or password 3. Not updating passwords. Regularly change your password every 6 months or immediately if you suspect a breach. Tools to help create and manage passwords. Use a password manager. Use tools like LastPass, 1Password, or Bitwarden. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security, such as OTPs or authenticator apps, alongside your password. Additional security tips: do not share your password, even with trusted individuals. Avoid storing passwords in notebooks or documents. Use apps with encryption to store them securely. Monitor accounts for suspicious activity. Regularly check emails and accounts for unusual login attempts. Stay safe.